Welcome to Learning Adda. Let's practice IBPS Pure Reasoning Ability Previous Year Questions. Reasoning Question 1. Directions 1 to 3. Read the given instructions carefully and answer the related questions. A certain number of persons are sitting in a row facing north. 3 persons sit between A and B. C sits second to the right of B. D sits fifth to the left of C. 2 persons sit between D and E. The number of persons sit between D and C is 1 more than the number of persons sit between D and F. No one sits to the left of F. The position of A with respect to F is same as the position of C with respect to G. As many persons sit to the left of F as to the right of C. How many persons sit between E and G? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Option E, more than 4. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 4. Place F at the far left end because nobody sits to F's left. The number between D and C is 4, 1 more than the number between D and F, so D must be 5th and C 10th. C is second right of B, fixing B 8th. A is 4 places from B and must fit inside the row, so A is 4th. E is 3 places from D and cannot occupy B's seat, so E is 2nd. The AF relation repeats for CG, placing G 7th. Therefore 4 people sit between E and G. Reasoning question 2. Who among the following sits third to the left of G? Option A, B. Option B, E. Option C, A. Option D, C. Option E, D. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, A. The solved row places G 7th. Moving 3 seats left reaches position 4, occupied by A. Reasoning question 3. How many persons sit in the row? Option A, 9. Option B, 13. Option C, 12. Option D, none of the given options. Option E, 10. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 10. C is at the far right end in position 10, so the row contains 10 seats. Reasoning question 4. How many meaningful words can be formed from the 3rd, 5th, 8th and 12th letter from the left end of the word fermentation? If no word is formed, then mark the answer as at, and if more than 3 words are formed, then mark the answer as hash, else choose the correct answer from given options. Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, hash. Option E, at. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, 2. The 3rd, 5th, 8th and 12th letters of fermentation are R, E, A and N. They form 2 standard words, earn and near. Therefore the count is 2. Reasoning question 5. How many pair of digits can be formed in the number 73915-43, which have same number of digits between them as in the number series, both forward and backward direction? Option A, none. Option B, 2. Option C, 3. Option D, more than 3. Option E, 1. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, more than 3. A digit pair qualifies when the distance between its positions equals the numerical difference between the digits. The 5 matches are 7 to 9, 7 to 2, 3 to 1, 1 to 4 and 4 to 3. 5 is more than 3. Reasoning question 6. Directions 6 to 8. Study the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are members of a 3-generation family with no single parent. G is the daughter-in-law of D, B has no daughter. H is the aunt of A, G is the sister-in-law of C, C is married member of the family. B is the grandfather of A, C and A are of opposite gender. E is the brother of F and has no child. How is G related to E? Option A, wife. Option B, sister. Option C, sister-in-law. Option D, mother. Option E, can't be determined. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, sister-in-law. B is A's grandfather and has no daughter, so F is BD's son and A's father. G, the daughter-in-law of D, is F's wife. E is F's brother. Therefore G is E's sister-in-law. Reasoning question 7. How many male members are there in the family? Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 5. Option D, 4. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 4. The family diagram identifies B, F, E and C as male. Hence there are 4 male members. Reasoning question 8. Who among the following is the mother of E? Option A, H. Option B, A. Option C, D. Option D, C. Option E, can't be determined. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, D. E and F are brothers in the middle generation. Their parents are B and D, making D the mother of E. Reasoning question 9. Directions 9 to 11. In these questions, the relationship between different elements is shown in the statements. The statements are followed by 2 conclusions. Study the conclusions based on the given statements and select the appropriate answer. A. If only conclusion statement 1 is true. B. If only conclusion statement 2 is true. C. If either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 is true. D. If both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 are true. E. If neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 is true. Statements O greater than S equals G less than or equal to or greater than or equal to K. L less than or equal to or equals P. T less than J equals P. Conclusions. Statement 1. S less than L. Statement 2. J greater than or equal to G. Option A. Only conclusion statement 1 is true. Option B. Only conclusion statement 2 is true. Option C. Either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 is true. Option D. Both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option E. Neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 is true. The timer starts now. The answer is option B. Only conclusion statement 2 is true. From J equals P equals R and R is greater than or equal to G, J is greater than or equal to G, so conclusion statement 2 is true. S and L are each related to R, but their mutual order is unknown, so conclusion statement 1 is false. Reasoning question 10. Statements Q less than or equal to M greater than D greater than E equals T. F equals G greater than or equal to H less than C less than T greater than or equal to. Our conclusions. Statement 1. A less than or equal to M. Statement 2. F greater than Q. Option A. Only conclusion statement 1 is true. Option B, only conclusion statement 2 is true. Option C, either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 is true. Option D, both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option E, neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 is true. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, only conclusion statement 1 is true. A is less than or equal to T, T equals E, E is less than D, and D is less than M. Therefore A is certainly less than M, so conclusion statement 1 follows. F and Q belong to disconnected chains, so conclusion statement 2 does not follow. The published key marks neither conclusion, but the valid chain proves only conclusion statement 1. Reasoning question 11. Statements Z equals X less than Y greater than O less than or equal to W, P greater than or equal to Q equals R less than S greater than W. Conclusions. Statement 1. X greater than R. Statement 2. Z less than or equal to Q. Option A, only conclusion statement 1 is true. Option B, only conclusion statement 2 is true. Option C, either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 is true. Option D, both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Option E, neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 is true. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 is true. X and R cannot be directly compared, so each conclusion alone is uncertain. But Z equals X and Q equals R, reducing the conclusions to X greater than R or X less than or equal to R. These are complementary, so either statement 1 or statement 2 must be true. Reasoning question 12. Directions 12 to 16. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F were born in different months, April, July, and September, on 2 different dates, i.e., 9th and 26th of the same year. Each person likes a different color: red, blue, pink, green, white, and yellow. All the information is not necessarily used in the same order. 2 persons were born between F and the person who likes red. D was born immediately before F on an odd date and in the month having even number of days. The one who likes pink was born 2 persons before C. He was born immediately before C on an even date. 2 persons were born between the ones who like pink and blue. A was born before the one who likes green and 2 persons after the one who likes yellow. He doesn't like yellow. Who among the following was born on 9th July? Option A, C. Option B, the one who likes green color. Option C, F. Option D, the one who likes pink color. Option E, D. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, the one who likes pink color. D must be on 9th April and F immediately after on 26th April. E immediately precedes C on an even date, fixing E on 26th July and C on 9th September. Pink is 2 positions before C, so A pink is on 9th July. Reasoning question 13. Which among the following pairs is correct? Option A, B, green, 26th September. Option B, C, red, 26th July. Option C, F, white, 26th April. Option D, E, green, 26th April. Option E, D, yellow, 9th September. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, F, white, 26th April. The completed table places F with white on 26th April. The other listed combinations conflict with the solved dates or colors. Reasoning question 14. How many persons were born between F and the one who likes blue color? Option A, 4. Option B, 2. Option C, 1. Option D, none. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 3. F is second in the sequence and blue belongs to B in the sixth position. A, E and C occupy the three positions between them. Reasoning question 15. Who among the following likes white color? Option A, the one who was born 4 persons before B. Option B, C. Option C, A. Option D, the one who was born on 26th September. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, the one who was born 4 persons before B. White belongs to F on 26th April. F is 4 positions before B, so the descriptive option identifies F correctly. Reasoning question 16. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Statement 1. C was born before D. Statement 2. No person was born between F and the one who likes pink color. Statement 3. He was born in the month having odd number of days and likes green color. Option A, both statement 2 and statement 3. Option B, only statement 1. Option C, both statement 1 and statement 3. Option D, only statement 3. Option E, all statement 1, statement 2 and statement 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, only statement 1. C is on 9 September, after D, so statement 1 is incorrect. F and the pink buyer A are consecutive, making statement 2 correct. He is in July, an odd day month, and likes green, so statement 3 is also correct. Only statement 1 is incorrect. Reasoning question 17. Directions 17 to 21. Read the given instructions carefully and answer the related questions. 6 persons A, B, C, D, E and F bought 6 different types of cars: sedan, SUV, hatchback, limousine, coupe, and convertible, one after the other, but not necessarily in the same order. The one who bought sedan purchased it 3 persons before F. As many persons bought car before F as after the one who purchased hatchback. 2 persons bought cars between the ones who purchased hatchback and SUV. He bought the car before the one who purchased said SUV but immediately before A. Coupe was bought 2 persons after A but immediately bought before convertible. Convertible was bought before B but after D. Who among the following bought the limousine? Option A, E. Option B, B. Option C, C. Option D, D. Option E, A. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, A. He immediately precedes A. The coupe convertible block and the remaining order force A into position 2 with limousine. Reasoning question 18. Who bought the car 3 persons after that person who bought the car immediately before D? Option A, C. Option B, B. Option C, F. Option D, A. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, C. A is immediately before D in the sort order. 3 positions after A is position 5, occupied by C. Reasoning question 19. If A is related to hatchback and in the same way E is related to limousine, then C is related to which type of car? Option A, coupe. Option B, convertible. Option C, SUV. Option D, sedan. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, SUV. The relationship points to the car bought by the next person. A is followed by D hatchback, and E is followed by A limousine. C is followed by B, who buys the SUV. Reasoning question 20. The number of cars bought between E and the one who purchased hatchback is one more than the number of cars bought after the one who purchased blank 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 blank. Option A, convertible. Option B, SUV. Option C, coupe. Option D, limousine. Option E, sedan. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, SUV. There is one person between E and the hatchback buyer D. The required car must have 0 purchases after it. SUV is last, so 1 is exactly 1 more than 0. Reasoning question 21. Sedan was purchased by who among the following person? Option A, A. Option B, D. Option C, E. Option D, F. Option E, C. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, A. The completed purchase order begins with E, who buys the sedan. Reasoning question 22. Directions 22 to 24 in this question below. Some statements are given followed by 2 conclusions numbered statement 1 and statement 2. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements, disregarding commonly known facts. Give answer A. If only conclusion statement 1 follows. B. If only conclusion statement 2 follows. C. If either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. D. If neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. E. If both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow statements, only a few club is quote some quote is allow no allow is revenue conclusions. Statement 1. Some club being allow is a possibility. Statement 2. Some quote are not revenue. Option A. Only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B. Only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C. Either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D. Neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E. Both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option E. Both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. Some court members are allow, and no allow is revenue. Therefore, some court is not revenue, proving conclusion statement 2. The club court overlap is not prohibited from overlapping allow, so conclusion statement 1 is also possible. Both follow. Reasoning question 23. Statements, only a few addition is investors, all investors are verdict. No verdict is effect conclusions, statement 1. No addition is effect statement 2. All investors being effect is a possibility. Option A. Only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B. Only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C. Either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D. Neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E. Both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option D. Neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Only some additions are investors, so the non-investor part of addition may still overlap effect. Conclusion statement 1 does not follow. Investors are verdict and no verdict is effect, making conclusion statement 2 impossible. Neither follows. Reasoning question 24. Statements, all skipper is when some win is player, only a few player is here. Conclusions, statement 1. All skipper being here is a possibility. Statement 2. No win is here. Option A, only conclusion statement 1 follows. Option B, only conclusion statement 2 follows. Option C, either conclusion statement 1 or statement 2 follows. Option D, neither conclusion statement 1 nor statement 2 follows. Option E, both conclusion statement 1 and statement 2 follow. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, only conclusion statement 1 follows. All skippers are win, and nothing forbids skippers from being here, so conclusion statement 1 is possible. The statements do not prove that win and here are disjoint, so conclusion statement 2 does not follow. Reasoning question 25. Find the odd one out. Option A, JLMP. Option B, ACDG. Option C, EGHK. Option D, LNOR. Option E, QSTU. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, QSTU. JLMP, ACDG, EGHK and LNOR follow alphabet jumps of +2, +1, then +3. QSTU ends with only a +1 jump, so it is the odd group. Reasoning question 26. Directions 26 to 30. Read the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G were born on 7 different years, i.e., 1947, 1959, 1964, 1973, 1978, 1988 and 2001 on the same month and same date. Base year is considered as 2025 for age calculation. The sum of the ages of C and F is equal to the age of D. G's age is divisible by 6. The total age of A and G is a prime number. A is just older than F. The sum of the age of B and A is divisible by 5. Who among the following was born on 1973? Option A, G. Option B, B. Option C, E. Option D, A. Option E, C. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, A. Using 2025 as the base year gives ages 78, 66, 61, 52, 47, 37 and 24. The constraints assign E to age 52, corresponding to 1973. Reasoning question 27. How many persons were born between A and B? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 3. In chronological birth order, the people are B, G, D, E, A, F and C. G, D and E lie between B and A, giving 3 people. Reasoning question 28. What is the difference between the age of C and D? Option A, 12 years. Option B, 10 years. Option C, 24 years. Option D, 37 years. Option E, 38 years. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 37 years. C is 24 and D is 61. Their age difference is 61 minus 24, which equals 37 years. Reasoning question 29. Who among the following is the oldest person? Option A, E. Option B, B. Option C, G. Option D, D. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option B, B. B was born in 1947 and is 78, the highest age in the table. Therefore B is the oldest. Reasoning question 30. What is the age of G? Option A, 37 years. Option B, 24 years. Option C, 47 years. Option D, 52 years. Option E, 66 years. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, 66 years. G is assigned to 1959, so in the 2025 base year G's age is 66. Reasoning question 31. Directions 31 to 35. Read the information carefully and answer the questions given below. 14 persons are sitting in two parallel rows containing 7 persons each. In row 1, A, B, C, D, E, F and G are seated and all of them are facing north. Y, P, Q, R, S, T, U and we are sitting in row -2 and facing south direction but not necessarily in the same order. Persons of row 1 face the persons of row 2. Q sits 2 places away from the one who faces Z, is the only immediate neighbor of D. U faces the one who sits third to the right of C. The number of persons sit to the right of Q is same as the number of persons sit to the left of G. B sits second to T, he left of G. One person sits between R and V and both of them do not sit at the extreme ends. S sits right of T but not sit at the extreme ends. A faces the one who sits second to the right of R. Who among the following faces are? Option A, G. Option B, D. Option C, B. Option D, C. Option E, A. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, C. The solved parallel rows place are in south row position 3, directly opposite C in the north row. Reasoning question 32. Which of the following statements are true? Option A, 2 persons sit between G and A. Option B, U faces Z. Option C, V sits left of R. Option D, C doesn't sit at extreme ends. Option E, all are true. The timer starts now. The answer is option E, all are true. G and A have 2 people between them. U faces Z, V is to the left of R from the south-facing perspective, and C is not at an end. All 4 statements are true. Reasoning question 33. 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and hence form a group. Who among the following does not belong to that group? Option A, T. Option B, F. Option C, S. Option D, U. Option E, G. The timer starts now. The answer is option A, T. F, S, U and G follow the common facing or positional relation in the solved rows. T does not satisfy that relation, making T the odd one. Reasoning question 34. How many persons sit to the left of the one who faces S? Option A, 2. Option B, more than 4. Option C, 4. Option D, 1. Option E, 3. The timer starts now. The answer is option D, 1. S faces B. B is second from the left in the north-facing row, leaving exactly one person to B's left. Reasoning question 35. Who among the following sits second to the right of the one who faces F? Option A, V. Option B, T. Option C, R. Option D, Q. Option E, none of these. The timer starts now. The answer is option C, R. F faces V. Because V faces south, its right is toward the viewer's left. 2 seats to V's right reaches R. Thanks for learning with us. For more bank exam practice with clear explanations, subscribe to Daily Learning Capsule and share this video with another aspirant.